good. Allen sets.
No, you fix that, so I'm gonna fix this. So you go get me the tool and I'll fix this.
Oh boy.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna. All right, now you gotta tell me what you need.
I need Allen sets.
Okay. What's that?
Just give me a fat Allen.
Whoa! What about Allen's being fat that you like? Whoa!
My name is Johnny Allen. Give me a fat Allen. Hurry up.
Check it.
Fat Michael. My name is Johnny Allen. What the heck?
This should catch. 'Cause I ain't walking out there because I'm getting another drink.
Where's the instructions manual?
There is no instructions manual. This
Well,
thing's
I
kinda,
can't do this.
This thing's got to cool down.
I got this, bro.
I doubt that.
I put it back in the drawer where it belongs.
Okay.
Dummy.
Little C-clamp, holding that all on. I think the brass bushing. That's kind of cool. Oh, jeepers. On. I think the brass bushing. That's kind of cool. Oh.
Jeepers cripes.
That's not what I wanted.
How hot is
Suck. Okay, so we gotta rebuild all much. I need to.
this?